Tonight, in a small stone smithy at the edge of a sleeping village, an old blacksmith is closing down his forge for the night. He sets his hammer on the anvil, taps it once out of habit, and listens to the small bright sound it makes in the quiet. He scoops a careful spadeful of fine gray ash from the bin beside him and lays it gently over the coals, the way a parent might lay a blanket over a sleeping child. The smithy smells of warm iron and old wood and the faint sweetness of the rosemary. His daughter hung above the door last summer. He hangs his leather apron on its peg, where it has hung every night for nearly 40 years, and the peg gives its familiar little creak. He pours the cooling water from the slack tub into the herb bed by the step. He latches the heavy door. He stands for a moment in the cool blue evening, watching a thin ribbon of smoke from his chimney rise straight up into a sky already beginning to show its first careful stars. A cat whines once around his ankles and leads him toward the cottage, tail held high like a small soft lantern. Inside, his supper is keeping warm, and a candle waits on the table, its flame leaning gently in the draught. He sits. He eats a little,